Hello everyone, this is Cade AI Grove. Today I'll be reviewing a very useful new feature from Hailuo AI in its image-to-video tool, first and last frame. This feature lets you choose exactly the opening and closing frames, then lets AI create smooth transitions in between. No more random cuts, just coherent storytelling, exactly as you imagine. When you first sign in with Gmail, you'll receive a welcome credits package, usually around 100 free credits to try it out. These credits expire within 3 days, and the amount may vary depending on Hailuo's current policies. Next, go to Video, then choose Image to Video. Here you'll see a new interface with 2 slots, Start Frame and End Frame. The idea is simple. Upload your first image, upload your last image, and then describe the motion between them. First, upload the start image. Next, upload the end image. Then enter a prompt describing the motion. Select the duration, for example 6 seconds, and the output quality. Finally, click Generate, wait for rendering, preview, and download if you're satisfied. Hailuo uses interpolation between the 2 frames to keep objects stable and transitions smooth. That's why the final frame always lands exactly as you planned. In the first example, an empty morning classroom transforms into a full classroom of students. Previously, image-to-video often chose its own start and end points, which could feel random and disrupt the flow. Now you control it from the first frame to the last, telling your story exactly the way you want. You can apply this in education, turning static slides into dynamic explainer clips. In architecture, transforming blueprints into finished renderings. In e-commerce, taking a product photo and turning it into a showcase video. And in travel, converting a static landscape photo into a lively clip, such as shifting from day to night. Under the hood, Hailuo uses interpolation with motion vectors to predict movement, keep objects stable, and generate smooth in-between frames. For better results, keep the camera angle and perspective similar between the start and end images. Use consistent color tones and lighting. Place the main subject in roughly the same position in the frame. In your prompt, use smooth action verbs like fade, morph, sweep, shift. The welcome credits apply only to new accounts and expire within a few days. If you want to use the tool long-term, you can upgrade to the unlimited plan for unlimited clip generation. The first and last frame feature gives you full control over your storytelling. Try it now on Hailuo AI and turn your ideas into motion. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cade AI Grove for more AI video creation tutorials.